Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna unbox my 1464 Life boots. I originally got the first pair about maybe 5, 6 years ago, and I didn't really document them. Those are my go-to, beat those boots to shit. Ended up sending them back, and they sent me a new one, new pair. The process was pretty simple. It's good. I think I paid $50, and all that was for was to cover return shipping. And it was a real pleasure because I didn't know this, but when I send in the original boot, they call you once they process your claim, they call it, and they asked me what color and what size I wanted. So I could have gotten the brown or the black in a different size. Maybe I got bigger or smaller as a person, but no, kept everything the same. Kept my size, kept the dog's blood. And what happened with my other pair, yeah, as you can see there, it's they have the for life guarantee. On this weld or seam, or I don't know what the hell, where it goes from what you would call the Goodyear weld. It's like a darker plastic, maybe black. And then you got the sole, which is like a green. So there's a, I don't know, let me stand a little bit angle. There's like a joint where, I don't know, they fuse air. I don't know what kind of magic they work. But from the inside of the heel, it just broke. Like, it just peeled off. The sole detached from what I would consider the welt. Of course, it's a plastic boot. It's not how that works, but yeah, ultimately the midsole detached. It just started peeling. Like, it just like, you can just pop it open, like pull it apart. Water would get in there. And that's the main reason why I stopped wearing the boot. And like a year after that issue started happening, that's when I decided to send them in. Because I was afraid. Thought it would be a more tedious process, but no, send them in. It took them about a week to get back to me. Paid like $50, and took about another week for them to arrive. So 2 to 3 weeks turnaround for me sending my boots to me getting a new pair. And I'll try to document the progress on these better than the first pair. So yeah, they're the boots. Doc Martens 1460s for life. You know what they call their hard line. What's it called? They call it the smooth hard life.